So apparently this thing works. Lately they've been doing this fire suppression systems, like with everything built in, where all we gotta do is just tie in our lines and our loads. I wasn't sure it was gonna work, to be honest, the way they had it, but yeah, sure enough. I just gotta power up their control circuit, which is this one right here. Of course, you might not be able to read it right now because it's actually where they set the controller. It's not really fully accessible, so I had to lower the terminal blocks so the labels don't exactly line up. But anyway, I'm pretty sure that if you get to deal with something like this, you'll get to see all the labels. And apparently, like I said, all we gotta do is land our lines and our loads out of the starters and just power up the control circuit, and that thing does it all. You tie in the micro switch, it gives you the terminal, just inputs. All you need is inputs. Apparently I was a little skeptical, to be honest, because I thought that I had to do most of it myself, but no, it actually works. And then I even took the wires going out to the lights, because I thought, well, this is where I come in to power it up, so why is this landed in those terminals? But no, everything is already internally wired. It feeds back to the control. I even tested it right now. Let me see if I spot it real quick without wasting too much time. To hood lights, so it's B1 and W1. So B1 and W1, of course, white will be, W1 will be your neutral, B1 will be your hot, but it's being fed from this side, from internally, and it controls it and it sends the power out to the lights. So this set of wires right here are already connected to the lights under the hood. So I'm gonna connect them back the way they had them, because apparently that's how it is. I mean, like I said, I'm used to something different, but you know, that's the reason I also went to IT schooling, so that I'm familiar with technology at the same time. And yeah, I was also under the impression that I was gonna have to power up this cable to power up the control board, but no, it doesn't even have to be hooked up. The Cat 5, it's a voice over, power over Ethernet, basically, because it's already hooked, it's already connected. So the lights, I gotta turn off right now. Fans, they kick on. Right there. Exhaust fan, makeup period is gonna take a little bit more because it has some kind of motorized actuators. So it's got to open up to get outside air before it even kicks in. I already tested it and it works. I think it's starting to blow now. So in the event of fire, of course, the makeup unit has got to shut off because they don't want fresh air coming in. Yeah, it's already blowing. You can tell. You can tell that thing is moving because it's blowing. So that's the makeup unit, and of course the exhausters are directly under the hood. So now what I'm gonna do is, just to test it, I'm gonna activate the micro switch, and it's gonna shut off makeup unit and lights and everything else except for the fans. The fans need to keep sucking up all the smoke, and that's per Southern Nevada Fire Department. So it's gonna send a signal. It sends a signal to the little control panel that says fire. So the only thing that's still running is the fan. It will shut off. So yeah, I just gotta clean it up and land it, you know, nice and neat. But yeah, it works the way that they had it, which saves me time on the next one, because we got another one or a couple of this one's coming up.